DFG Science TV. Search for a cure. The fight against forgetting. Zebrafish help understand Alzheimer's.
No longer knowing where you are, who you are, what you are going to do. These are the characteristics of Alzheimer's disease, the most common form of dementia. The cycle of life turns backwards. The person becomes a child again. Sufferers forget how to do everyday things, such as eating or drinking. They lose their memory and become disoriented. 1 in 3 of us over the age of 80 is affected. Up to 20 million people worldwide are currently stricken with the illness. At the psychiatric clinic of the University of Munich in 1906, Alois Alzheimer identified the first case of a disease that was to be named after him. August Data, his first patient, described her condition at the time with the words, "I have lost my very self." Alois Alzheimer's microscope and original case notes can still be seen in the clinic today. Even after more than a century, there is still no medication that can stop the disease. Despite intensive research, the advances are small. It is all the more important to keep searching for a drug that can slow down the progress of Alzheimer's disease. Munich is taking on the challenge with a highly unusual test subject, the zebrafish. The great advantage of this fish was that we can very quickly obtain the symptoms of the disease, even within a few days, and at the same time have a fish that is still developing and is completely transparent at this point, so that we can look into the brain directly from the outside and really observe how plaques emerge and cells die off there. In the end, the functions of the nerve cells and the nerve networks in a zebrafish brain and a mouse, or a human being for that matter, are very similar. His team includes zebrafish researchers Dominik Paquet, Frauke van Beber and Bettina Schmidt. Biologist Bettina Schmidt has been researching the zebrafish for 15 years now.
In recent years, I've set up a large zebrafish facility here. Our aim is to use these fishes to develop models for Alzheimer's disease and other types of dementia. And this is how we want to go about it. We want to modify the fish so that it gets symptoms of Alzheimer's disease, and then we will look for genes or drug treatments, which can make the fish better again. That will not exactly be easy, but I'm very optimistic that we will manage it nevertheless.
Time is short. Can the researchers from LMU Munich manage to develop a treatment for Alzheimer's disease?
Visit DFG Science TV for more information. Awaken the researcher within you.